when I started this importation journey, I don't think I will go this big. I promise you. Because what I learned importation for is mainly for me to buy my personal goods, buy what I need, import it to Nigeria, and then use them. That is literally what I learned importation for. But during the process, I started meeting more people. Like when I tell people that, oh, I literally don't buy this thing from Nigeria, I buy it from China, people are more interested in what I was doing. So I was like, how can I make money doing this kind of thing, guys? Then I started teaching some people for money. And trust me, guys, in like a month, I'm averaging like 5 to 10 people that I'm teaching importation. And those time I charge like 10,000 naira then. So I was charging like 10,000 naira and I was teaching like 5 to 10 people in a month. So that's like 100K or 50K, guys, roughly on 50 to 100K in a month. I was so surprised. I was like, wow, so I can make this kind of money by me just sitting in my house doing literally nothing, just teaching people. Like I will schedule their time. Like I'll just schedule that, oh, you will come by 2 p.m., you will come by 5 p.m., you will come by 8 p.m. You understand? So I schedule the time of teaching, guys. And in no time, I started blowing up in my WhatsApp. You understand? Like people started recommending me because, like, you understand, I teach people and they see results, they import and they were so happy. So some people tag me and some people recommend me. That is how I go, guys. So I didn't just start from somewhere. So that pushes me to started teaching importation. Like I make a business out of importation. So I'm telling you this thing because I'm telling you that you can also start somewhere. Don't wait for you to be 100%. That is the mistake a lot of people make, guys. So people usually think that, oh, I'm not good enough. Like I have to be 100%. No, you don't have to be 100%. You need to fall in love with the grind. That is the only way you can go. Like you need to fall in love with the process. That is the only way you can go. I'm telling you guys. So this is not a motivational video. I'm just telling you that I do this thing and you can also do it. Like it doesn't matter if you want to be importing for yourself or you want to start, like you want to learn importation and start teaching people, then you get money for it. It just depends. Like there are a lot of ways you can turn importation to business. There are a lot of different ways like you can make money. Like I can list up to 5 to 10 videos. I think I've even made a video about it. So I've made a video about it. If you check my channel, you will see the video there. Like I literally make like different ways you can make money in this importation business. Like you literally don't need to show your face like mine. If you're like the shy type or something, you literally don't need it. So there are a lot of ways you can do that. So that is the power of knowledge. That is the power of knowledge I hold. So you can also be this person by just learning. So like I showed you previously, guys. So that is how my humble beginning starts turning to this, guys. So as you can see these videos, so this is like when I went to pick up like my previous goods, guys. So that is how it works. It is called growth. I also start from somewhere. I started by importing like one wristwatch, like one chain. I started doing that before my brother starts trusting me, like, oh, please help me to order a boot from China. So this is the video, guys. So I ordered a boot and some shoes and some goods, guys. So I started going. So growth is something that will happen over time. So don't just jump into it. You need to enjoy the journey, guys. So that's just how it is. I'm sure that in 1 year, if I come back to this video, I will even be more proud because my situation would have changed. So I know what I'm saying. Like my situation would have even changed more. So I will have met even way more people, guys. So that's just life. So anything you want to do in your life, you need to start now. So you need to start now. That's just the power, guys. You see all those people that you are looking at, guys. The difference between you and them is that they start. You too, you need to change, guys. You need to start. So after doing that, from that, you will have a reliable supplier. Because me, you guys know, I if you are new to my channel, you can go to my channel, guys. I sell online, guys. So I sell on Jumia, Konga, and Gigi. So before I get this supplier, I first buy like one product from him and also some stuff, guy. Then I like that product so much that I was like, oh, let me buy more. Let me buy more. Then I started selling, guys. I started selling it. So I went from like 10 order, 5 order in a single day on Jumia to now that I'm making like over like almost 50 or 100 orders. Sometimes I get up to 100 orders in a day on Jumia. And it is very possible, guys, for you to, if you just start, you need to fall in love to you having that one order, two order on Jumia. You need to be comfortable. So that's just it. Like, it is not working science. All these people you are doing, Obi Kubana also starts his business somewhere before he get there. So you need to start. That's just it. Just start. Importation is so easy, guys. Because this thing is just like you just ordering, it's just like you buying a goods here on Jumia. So that's just it. The only difference is that you will become the seller. So you import on Jumia and that's it. So you import from China. Just use it in that form. Like you importing from Jumia, buying stuff from Jumia. So now it is you buying from China, another country. It is just the same process. They pack your goods and then ship to you. They pack your goods and then ship to your country. Shikena, that's just it. You just need to have the information. And one thing people usually also say that do hold them back is that they do say that I don't have people. I don't have people to sell to. Like, I don't have money. All these two things is not an excuse. Firstly, let's talk about people. So if you don't have people to sell to, it is just one thing you will do. You will create a Jumia account, Facebook Marketplace account, GG account, and Konga account. So for those people that don't know how to create all these accounts, if you want me to teach you how to create it, just drop it in the comment section, guys. I'll be making a video about it on how to create an account on all these platforms, so you can learn on how to create an account. So that's just the solution. You create an account and then you list your product. I can teach you everything, how to list the product, how to do everything, guys. So I will teach you from A to Z. So when you list your product on Jumia, you see all these platforms right here in Nigeria, guys. Like, all these platforms are not like, a lot of people don't, a lot of people buy. Like I said, a lot of people buy from this platform, but it's not like a lot of people. Let's say, you understand, Nigeria is over 200 population, like 200 million population. Let's say out of the 200 million population, just like, let me just say 30 million people are buyers on Jumia. So 30 million compared to 200 million, you can see the difference, guys. So there's a huge difference, like huge gap. So you can take advantage of that now. So me, before my Jumia accounts get to these guys, because like I said, I have 6 Jumia accounts. So out of all the 6 accounts, I have like 100 orders a day. So before your accounts get to that type, guys, before your account start getting like a lot of order like mine, you would also go to some process, which is for you getting like 1 order a day, 2 order a day, 3 order a day. So that is how to go. So by you creating an account, that means you have taken the 4th step. And if you create an account now, just put your mind to it, because like it might take like probably a week or two before order starts coming in. And when order starts coming in, what you just need to do is make fulfillment on time. Like in Jumia, you have to deliver between 24 to 48 hours when the order came in. So let's say the order came in today, which is on Saturday. So you need to deliver your, no, let's not use Saturday, because like Sunday is like, the Sunday is not a working day. So let's use Monday. So let's say order came in on Monday. You need to deliver at worst on Wednesday. Like, you need to deliver on Tuesday or Wednesday. You can also deliver on Monday if you have the time. But you need to deliver on Tuesday or Wednesday, because if you deliver between those 2 days, guys, it will improve your store scores a lot, because Jumia now sees you as someone that is trustworthy, someone that deliver their goods, like, you understand? So that's just what you need to do. Deliver on time, and Jumia will push your products to a lot of people. So a lot of people will now see your goods and keep ordering for you. And that's just one step. Another step is that you can also use sponsor ad. Like, if you don't want to wait for like 2 weeks or something, you can also use sponsor ad. So sponsor ad is you like using your money to run advert on Jumia website. You understand? Have you ever got like if you buy from Jumia, you'll be seeing some adverts. Like if you want to open an app or anything like that, you'll be seeing some Jumia advert or something. So you see all these things, like people, all those people pay Jumia so that they can advertise their products. And there is difference between Jumia ad and Google ad. So the Google ad is always expensive and all. So Jumia ad is not expensive. You can literally set the amount you want to spend in a day. If it is 800 naira, you can set your target at 800 naira a day. So you can be spending 800 naira a day on adverts. So all these things are available on Jumia. So I can drop a video on how to create an account. So if you want it, just drop it in the comment section and let me know. So I will create that account so that you can also learn and create an account for yourself. So like I'm saying, guys, you do these things and you start getting order instantly. If you want sponsor ad on Jumia and you start getting ad instantly. So you can be getting like 4, 5, 10. It just depends on what you are selling. If it is fast, like people need it and all, guys. So if it is something like needy, if it's a needy product, then trust me, you will sell a lot, a lot. So all these things you will sell a lot, guys, if it's needy. So that's just it. And you start making money. So all this thing is not rocket science. Buy from China, then sell on Jumia. Shikena. So I also like start from somewhere, then I am here. I give thanks to God, guys. So I know that in probably few years, guys, so I will get even more busier. So that's just life. So just start now. That's just it, guys. So I'm making this video because I received one good news today, and I am so happy because my supplier, guys, that have been buying the wrist chain from. So if you don't know, my product is wrist chain. Like I literally unveiled it in my last video. Like I just drop it, like just go to my channel, you will see it. So I sell that wishing. So today, my supplier messaged me and said they just finished a production of over 2 million of that wishing. Like they make 2 million of that wishing. So my supplier told me that he's ready to give me 30,000 on loan. Do you know how crazy that is? Like 30,000 on loan. So this thing was like around 2 points, like 2.5 yuan or something, like 2.6 yuan. So let's just use 2.5 yuan as an example. So just do the calculation and then you see. So let's do the calculation together. So 2.5 times 30,000, 30,000. That's 75,000 RMB. So 75,000 RMB times 219, which is the current rate. That's around 16 million, guys. 16 million naira. So my supplier is willing to send me 16 million naira worth of goods and I will sell, then pay back because I buy a lot from my supplier, guys. So all these things happen because I've built a track record with this supplier. So you can also do this thing, guys. It is not rocket science. Just learn and then apply. Well, this is just the little I can say, guys. I'm just telling you that anything you want to do, guys, just start now. That's just it. Start now, and then you will see growth in your progress. So if you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe, guys, because on this channel, we discuss about importation business and how it can make money online. So you don't want to miss out on our next show. So thank you for watching and see you next time.